Hi, this is part 2 on my Audiobahn. Last time I didn't really play it that hard because it's new to me, you know. So, I'm just gonna give you a quick demo of how it is when you really turn it up. Okay, here we go. Make a bass. On. Now I'm gonna turn this up. Holy crap. Yeah, that was crazy. So, let's check out this one other song here that I'm kind of afraid to play because I blow up. So I'm turn it down at first. Alright, this is at low right here. Screw it, go to 10.